Hello everyone and welcome to PersianCampus.com. In this series of videos, I'm going to teach you a complete Persian course book. The book is called Farsi-e Dehkhoda. Although I'm going to teach you Persian alphabet from this book, but I highly recommend you, before starting this book, watch these 4 videos to learn the Persian alphabet and how to read and write in Persian. I also strongly suggest you to watch the video series Learn Persian for Beginners in Persian Campus YouTube channel or on PersianCampus.com. You probably don't need to cover the whole series to start this book with me, but working on them at least while you are learning this book is a plus. As I mentioned earlier, the book that we're going to cover is called Farsi-e Dehkhoda, 2nd edition. The book is published by Dehkhoda Lexicon Institute, and you can buy the electronic version of the book through an Iranian application called Taghche, niche or niche, and download the audio files free of charge from the link in the caption. Except the first 2 sections of the book that are dedicated to Persian alphabet, the book has 12 lessons. Each alphabet section and lesson will be covered in 2 videos. However, in some cases, for example, lesson 6, since there are 2 grammatical parts, I will divide the lessons into 3 sections. Totally, there will be 28 videos in this series. Before we start, there are some basic notes that we have to have in mind. 1. Make sure you repeat everything after me. 2. You may notice I cover the alphabet quickly because I trust you will watch the videos I recommended. And 3. The alphabet characters you see here in this book are not in normal order. They are managed in a way that enable you to read in Persian. So, are you ready to start? Let's begin. Farsi-e Dehkhoda. The first alphabet that we are going to learn is called Aleph. The sound is A. Capital A, small a. The sound is A. As in Ab. Ab is water. Don't forget to repeat after me. Small B, capital B. The sound is B. As in Baba, that is daddy. Small b is used at the beginning or middle position. Capital B is used at the final position, or it stands alone. It can also connect to the previous letter. Next alphabet is called Noon. Small n, capital N. The sound is N, as in non. Non is bread. You see that we use the small n at the beginning position and the capital N at the final position. You can also use the small n in the middle position. Next one is called Dal. The sound is D, as in bad, wind. So we've learned, please repeat, Ab, Baba, Non, Bad. Let's practice a little bit, see if we can make new words. What do we have here? Try to read them. Baba, daddy. Nab, that is rare, special. Nab. Dad, that is give, gives, actually, 3rd person singular. Bad, wind. Dana, wise. Let's make these words, put the sounds together. We have B plus A. Together we would have ba. D plus A plus ne plus A. We would have dana. A, B, A, D, A, N. we would have آبادان. D plus A, that would be da. Next one, N, A, D, an, that is nadan. Nadan is opposite of dana. When dana is wise, nadan is stupid. In this section, we normally have to listen and complete something, okay? But there is no audio file for this section. We have to skip it and move on to next letters. Next letter is called re. The sound is r, as in bar, that is cargo, or as in baran, rain, art, floor, a, as in abr. I have to tell you that a is not an independent Persian alphabet. It is one of the sounds that alif can have. So one of them was a and the other one is a. Next one is anar, pomegranate, anar. And then dar, dar. As you see here, a can sit above other letters. Either at the beginning position, it stands alone. In the middle position, when it is not the first sound that we hear, it sits above other letters. Try to read these words. Dara, rad, dar, radan, radar, bad. Some of them are names of people and the other ones really have meanings. For example, bad is bad in English, or radar is radar in English. Now, let's make new words with these sounds that we have learned. N, a, this is a, it means that it is the second sound and it has to sit above the first letter. That would be na, bard, nabard. The meaning is war. Na, bard. Why? This is not the big ne that we see here because it is at the beginning position and we must use the small form. Next one. Dan, don, dan, don. Dan, don. Something important. It is possible not to write the a sound, but still we pronounce it. We can either put it here and say dandan or remove it professionally, but still read it. Dandan, that is tooth. Next one. Dar, band, dar, band. It has a meaning, but it is also a name of one of the famous places in Tehran. Dar, band. Let's continue. Ban, dar, that is harbor. See, I use the small form. Ban, dar. And still, I can use the professional form and say bandar. See, I don't write the a sounds. So we have other letters here. Next alphabet letter is meme. Its name is meme. The sound is m. As you see, small me, capital me. The sound is m. As in madar, mother. Next one, at the final position, we use the big one, badam. That is almond. At the beginning position, we use the small one, mard, man. Okay, next letter is called sin, capital sin, Small sin, the sound is s, as in sapat, basket, sapat. At the beginning position, we use the small, and also in the middle position, we use the small se. Asp, horse, asp. And at the final position, we have the capital sin, that is dars, listen. Let's repeat these words again. مادر, بادام, مرد, سبد, اسب, درس. Next page. Try reading these words. سرد, that is cold. Sara, it's a name. Sar, it's a name of a bird. Sar, head. Sam, poison. Bam, roof. Damad, that is groom in a wedding party. Now let's put these sounds together and make a word. B, d, ad, that is bamdad, morning. Ram, ram, sar. I can put the a here. It's a name of a city in north of Iran. Sanad, sanad, that is document. Sanad, I can put the as here. Son, it's a name for boys. Son. Okay, next letter is T. Small t, capital T. The sound is T, as in top, swing. At the beginning position, we use the small one. At the final position, we use the big one, that is dast. Now you can read them. Dast, hand. How about next one? Try reading them. Mast, that is yogurt. Next one. Z, the sound is z. It has only one form, luckily. At the beginning, middle, final position, they are all the same. That is zard, yellow. Zaban, tongue. Zan, woman. Let's repeat again. Top, dast, mast, zard, zaban, zan. Practice a little bit. Try reading these words. Bazar, that is bazaar. Bazar. Zaman, zaman. Pay attention, you're not expected to learn the meaning of these words. We are only practicing reading in Persian, okay? Zaman, that is time. Raz, secret. Sarbaz, soldier. Mars, border. Tab, fever. Tabar, axe. Badtar, worse. Okay, once again. Bazar, zaman. Raz, sarbaz. Mars, tab, tabar. Badtar, put the sounds together to make a word. We have sabz. Sabz, I use the small forms because they are at the beginning and middle position. Sabz is green. Ba zar, dast band, dast band, dast band, bracelet. Continue to next sounds and letters. This one is called he or e. Actually, it has two sounds. The sound that here we are going to learn is called e. All right. These two has also he sound. This one is again the small aleph that can have different sounds. A, and now e. Together, these three in Persian make e sounds, as in idare. You see that we use this one at the beginning and this one at the final position. Medad. It is the second sound, so it goes under the other letters and sounds, the same as a, that it went above the other sounds. Name. See, at the final position, when it doesn't stand alone, it connects to the previous letter. So, beginning position, e. Final position connecting to the previous letter. Final position standing alone. Next one is kaf. The sound is k. Small kaf, capital kaf. The sound is k, as in kitab, book. Namak. See, final position. Salt. Bank, bank. Let's repeat the words. Idare, medad, name, kitab, namak, bank. Let's continue. Practice reading these words. Kamran, Kar. Kamran is a name of boys. Kar, that is deaf. Kam, little. Kar, job, work. Maze, taste. Neda, it's a name for girls. Neda, Kerman, it's a name of a city. Kare, butter. Name, letter. Se, 3. Kitab, book. So again, Kamran, Kar, Kam, Kar, Maze, Neda, Kerman, Kare, Name, Se, Kitab. Put together these sounds to make a word. Nar, Mak. It's a name of a region in Tehran. Nar, Mak. Kar, Mand, that is employee. Kar, Mand. You can also write it like this. Kar, Mand. Kerem, kerem, cream. Idare, office. Idare. You can put the e here or not. And sak, that is luggage. Let's move on and continue to next letters and sounds. We have ye that has two sounds. You see one of them here. Ye, small ye, capital ye. The sound is y, as in yas. Lilik. Darya, sea. Ney, You see what it is. The other forms, see, these two forms are common with these two forms, and another new form for the beginning position we have. The name is ye, but here the sounds are different. It sounds e. All right, here we have the e sound for the beginning position, middle position, final position, as in Iran. Sib, middle position, apple. Sini, actually this one also has the E sound, Sini. Please repeat the words again. Yas, Darya, Ney, Iran, Sib, Sini. Next page. Try reading these words. Maryam. Repeat. Maryam. Next one. Nazdik. That is near. Nazdik. Miz. Table. Miz. Or also desk. Day. It's one of the months in Persian calendar. Day. Ziba, beautiful, pretty. Ziba. Zir, under. Zir. Sir. Sir, full, not hungry. And also it means garlic. Nima, it's a name for boys. Nima. Mina, a name for females. Mina. Yasser. Yasser, name for boys. Make new words. R, ay, an, e, rayane. Ra for final position, we use this form of e. Rayane, that is computer. Cinema. 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 Yazd, a town, a city in the center of Iran. Yazd. In, this. In. Don't forget, you're not going to learn the meaning of these words at this point. You are going to learn how to read them, okay? Let's continue to next letters. The letter is called P. Small p, capital P. The sound is P, as in pa. مثل پسته. مثل is as in. پسته. مثل دمپایی. Slippers. دمپایی. Next one is sheen. Sheen. Small sheen, capital sheen. The sound is sh, as in sheer. You can see the picture, that is lion and also milk. For both of them we use sheer. Ashk, tear. Ash, it's an Iranian food. So let's repeat again. Pa, peste, دمپایی, شیر, اشک, آش. Let's continue. Next letter or sound is called fe. The sound is f. Small f, capital f. The sound is f. مثل فرش, carpet. دفتر, notebook. برف, snow. Repeat again. فرش, دفتر, برف. As you see, we use the small f in the beginning and middle position, and the capital F in the final position. Let's practice a little bit. How do you read these words? Please try reading them. Farsi, Farsi. Pari, Pari. Farda, Farda, tomorrow. Panir, Panir, cheese. Payam, Payam, message. It is also a name for men. You remember the first sound that we've learned, the capital one? Tash, tash, fire. Shab, night, shab. Shab, tonight. See, shab, shab, tonight. Ash, pesar, boy, pesar. Pir, pir, old. Pedar, pedar, father. We had baba, that was daddy, dad. Pedar, which is father. Kif, bag. Kif, kafsh, shoe. Kafsh. Fariba, name for women. Fariba. And also it means beautiful, but we don't use it, it's very old. Fandak, fandak. Okay, let's make these words. Parisa, Parisa. Parisa is a name for females. Abshar, Abshar. See, instead of 3 dots above, I can put this symbol. It means 3 dots, and also 3 dots below P, I can use the same symbol, Abshar, to make writing easier. Farsi, Farsi. Aftab, Aftab, sunlight. Aftab. Let's continue. Another form for the small aleph that I told you, if you remember, this was the big a, and this is the small a. All right, it can have a sound if you don't do anything with it, but if you put this symbol above it, that can have a sound. If you put it below it, it can have a sound. And now with this symbol above it, you can have O sound. O sound, ordak, as in ordak, that is duck. Or it sits above the other sounds, other letters, to make O, as in boz, goat. Doktor, doctor. So let's repeat again. Ordak, boz, doktor. Continue. Next letter is called qaf. The sound is q. Small qaf, capital qaf. This is the symbol. The sound is q, as in qashuq, beginning and final position, spoon. Qashuq. Bushqab, plate. Bushqab. Otaq, room. O, that we already have learned it. Otaq, room. Repeat again. Qashuq. Bushqab. Otaq. Now read these words. قند قدیمی. قند is sugar. قدیمی old. درست right correct. پشت back. پشت شرق east. قرمز red. پاک کن that we pronounce it as پاک کن razor. So قند قدیمی please repeat. درست پشت شرق قرمز پاک کن. Now it's your turn. Make these words. How do you do that? ترش sour. شتر camel. استاد. قایق. استاد is professor. استاد is professor. قایق is boat. Okay, let's learn other sounds and letters. This is خ, small خ, capital خ. This is the symbol. The sound is خ. As in خانه house. خانه. درخت tree. درخت. یخ. This one must be in green. یخ, that is ice. Let's read. Please try reading them. تخته خیار خسته خمیر خامه سخت خراب باخت شاخ خدا. This is God. Okay, let's see if we can make these words. Please put the sounds together. خراسان. خراسان. It's the name of a province in East Iran. خراسان. پخته. This symbol to show 3 dots. پخته, and this symbol to show 2 dots. So if we have 2 dots, we can put this simple line above te like this. If we have 3 dots, we can use this symbol below or above. Next one. پای تخت. پایتخت. Capital Tehran is پایتخت of Iran. And ساخت makes. ساخت. Alright, let's continue. Capital, small che, capital che. The sound is che. Please remember this symbol. Che. مثل چتر. Please repeat. چتر. چمدان. چمدان. It's a synonym for sock. Sak and chamedan, both of them means luggage, baggage. Parch, parch, jar. Next one, Gaf. The name is Gaf, the sound is G. Small Gaf, capital Gaf, the sound is G, as in gurbe. Gurbe. Next one, Magas, fly. Magas. And finally, Sag. Sag, dog. Okay, that's enough for this lesson. In this lesson, we have covered the first section of the alphabet from this book. If you think that I'm covering these pages quickly, it's because, as I told you, I expect you to watch these 4 videos from Persian Campus to learn the alphabet letters better. Okay? Thank you for watching Persian Campus. Wait for other videos. Meanwhile, make sure that you practice each lesson. Watch the videos many times to make it perfect. Okay? Thank you and Khoda Hafiz. Goodbye.